Let's look at the facts. Shipping is the world's most cost-effective method of transportation for people and goods. But to ensure safe and continuous operation, proper fuel cleaning is a must. In 2020, new worldwide sulfur regulations will put new demands on the market.
Of course, we will see dramatic change in the supply chain when that happens.
Something DFDS is well aware of, having 98% of their trade in ECA areas.
The biggest challenge is cat fines in the heavy fuel oils and sediments in the lighter fuel oils.
Cat fines is coming from the cracking process in the refineries, where you use aluminum and silicon to do the process. And these are actually added in the process, but refineries try to remove it again. That is not that easy. We are talking about cat fines, which is aluminum and silicon oxidized in very, very small sizes and a huge amount. But when it comes into the engine, it has a damaging effect.
They are very hard particles. If you have a scale up to 10 and 10 is diamond, then the cat fines are at 8.2.
It can be very devastating to have cat fines introduced into the fuel system and even into the piston rings and cylinder liners, and it can be worn out in very, very few hours, like sandpaper you're scraping.
And cat fines will be embedded into the softer materials and it will damage the engine. And that's why we need to have it removed.
Statistics show that on average, 30% of the 500 Centistoke fuel contains more than 40 ppm cat fines. The same statistics reveal that around 50% of all operators cannot remove cat fines down to engine manufacturer's demand when it's above 40 ppm.
Use Alfa Laval as a sparring partner in the cleaning process of the fuel. For the cat fines, it's very important because we could not manage to handle the fuel without the separators.
With over 100 years of experience, Alfa Laval has the equipment and the knowledge to help customers optimize separator efficiency through educational courses around the world and through our own innovative technology. One important method to optimize a separator's cleaning performance is to adjust the flow according to the consumption.
The crew is busy doing other things. Adjusting the flow according to engine load is maybe not their top priority. So we wanted to provide a fully automated system that takes care of this.
We adapt our separation according to the real engine consumption. So this is a real optimization.
FlowSync is an automatic control system for separator flow rate optimization, capable of managing several units simultaneously.
The two main benefits are that you increase separation efficiency and you save energy.
Optimal flow means optimal protection.
You reduce smaller particles, especially cat fines.
When you change over from, let's say, going from international waters into an ECA area, you change over from a heavy fuel oil, which is high temperature, and you change over to a distillate, which need no heating at all. Actually, heating in that case can be more dangerous to the engine components.
Both the current and coming stricter regulations for sulfur emissions are demanding new fuel products.
Today we see a variety of different fuels coming into the market with very low sulfur content, and that's a mixture from many sources. And the quality, you can say, are getting worse and worse, also as the refiners getting better and better, because they utilize the light ends and the heavy ends are getting worse and worse.
Ultra-low sulfur fuel oil, it has many names. It came as a big surprise to many in the industry that the oil suppliers, fuel suppliers, actually could come forward with a fuel oil which is not really a distillate. It could be something in between heavy fuel oil, distillate, and still with only 0.1% sulfur.
On the ultra-low sulfur we had a compatibility problem with, for for instance, heavy fuel oil. If we mix those two oils, we have huge problems with clogging filters, clogging separators, etc.
With the coming regulatory changes in 2020, onboard fuel handling will be a bigger challenge than ever. If not treated correctly, it will lead to clogged fuel systems and, in worst-case scenarios, engine stoppage.
Knowledge is everything when handling fuel on board.
Basically, all separation is about density difference. But of course, to speed up the process, we utilize centrifugal force. Still, the contaminants have to weigh more than the oil. A major challenge is that the density of some of the cat fines are close to that of the oil. Next, the lower the flow speed through the separator, the higher the separator efficiency. By installing an Alfa Laval flow sink, you'll automatically optimize separator flow according to actual engine consumption.
Correct separation temperature is a must to achieve optimal separation efficiency.
For example, if the temperature is lowered from 98 to 90 degrees Celsius, viscosity will change by 30%, meaning that you will have to reduce the separator flow by 30% to achieve the same efficiency. So a correct temperature is crucial. Another important factor is to keep the disc stack clean.
The opening between the discs are 0.5 mm, and if the contaminants are adhering to the disc, it could be reduced to 0.4 mm, which means that the flow through the discs are increasing.
You heard right, increasing. The same thing that happens when you squeeze down on a water hose, the speed of the water increases. And as we know, a higher flow speed in the system will reduce the separation efficiency. Particles that could be removed will pass through the separator.
The best way to secure a clean disc stack is to use a cleaning in place unit, a so-called CIP.
A CIP unit will clean the disc stack without dismantling the bowl. When it comes to onboard fuel cleaning to meet the new 0.50% sulfur limit, we offer 3 strong recommendations.
It's all about knowledge, and housekeeping.
First of all, you have to know your system, how to get the most out of the equipment, what are the limitations, and how to set up your system according to your fuel. And naturally, you need to understand your fuel. For example, which parameters will affect the onboard treatment.
With the Alfa Laval ALCAP separation system, there is no need for any mechanical adjustment when fuel characteristics change.
We recommend that all bunkered fuel should be regularly tested for contamination and compatibility. Finally, good housekeeping is paramount. Can you mix different oils you have on board, or do they need to be kept separate?
If we have a fuel problem, call Alfa Laval and discuss the problem, and they can give you some creative ideas.
Right. We want to be your partner to find the best solutions for onboard fuel cleaning. That's the kind of challenge we like.
It's very important to be a partnership for our customers.